Hey everybody, so today I'll just be showcasing the code I wrote for my server JS file, and I'll be showing you guys the setup, how I set everything up, and I'm gonna show you at the end the output itself. Let me show you how I set it up. So here's my terminal. This is where I wrote all the code. Of course, I made the a directory itself, node.js.api, and then I went to that directory and into the code required. Once I got over there, make sure everything was downloaded, everything was, in there. I made sure to go down and in the file itself, I opened in Visual Code and I wrote the code right here. And this is where I did basically all the work. And I'll be talking about that now, and then I'll go into the results of the actual code itself on the server port. And then, yeah. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was wrote down constant express equals required express. Basically, what I'm doing here is I'm just importing the express.js library. Basically, what that does is just it's a web application framework, and it just makes it easier to set up the server in Node.js. And the second line was the constant app equals express. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm just in this line, what it does is just it creates an instance of the express application, and it names it express. And basically, what this instant does is stores in the app. It'll be used to set up routes and listen for incoming requests, basically. This is something I had to do. I did run into a little bit of bugs when I didn't have it running. It was caused a little problem. Other one was the constant port, and this is just a port number, and I just chose a 3000. And basically, here's the array, uh, with the ID number, the title, the author, simple. Um, it didn't take that much code because that code was provided. And then this one right here, where's that? Yeah, this one right here, app.get. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm just creating a GT endpoint at the books route. So basically what it means is it's just going to send a get request to slash books, and basically what this function does, it will just handle it. And yeah, the last two, the res.json. What and basically in this route, what it does is that it sends back the books array as a JSON response. And last one, the app.listen. What this does is basically just start the server on on the specified port, which I did earlier. I specified it to 3000, and yeah, I just wrote down server is running at and then the link. And what this means that after I get it all set up in the terminal, I'll be if I compile it the right way, when I do node server.js, which basically just runs a file, it will tell me if it's running. It'll say server is running, and that's where I copy the link and I post it. And when I did that, this is what I got. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yep, this is what I got. So yeah, that's basically it. And thank you guys for watching.